Most people think that Gemini is just a chat box. They ask questions, generate text, images, create images, nice images like e-card and all of that. But hidden inside the app is a feature that can turn Gemini into a true phone assistant. Now, that feature that I'm referring to is called Utilities. So I'm going to walk you through on how to do that quickly. First thing is to open your Gemini app. Now, once you are here, go to Settings. You see these connected apps right here? Click on it. Sometimes it can be connected extension, anything like connected app or connected extension, then click on it. Now, it takes you to this interface. What you are going to do, you are going to go down. You see these messages, you toggle it on. You see my own is already on. Phone, turn it on. If you want it to as much as being able to control your WhatsApp, you can also turn it on. Then this utility is very important. Turn it on. Open apps, take selfies, set timer, set alarm, read and reply to notifications. Now, once you turn it on, you'll be able to use your Gemini to do all of that without going to the apps. You just speak to your Gemini and you can turn on selfie, you can set alarms. It becomes easier. It's like what you used to do with, "Hey Siri." Yeah. If you also want it to control other things such as Spotify, you can turn it on. So now that's basically it. Now you see this option here that says Gemini on lock screen. Now you can actually go ahead and turn it on, enable it. What this will do for you is that it will allow you to be able to use Gemini when your phone is still locked. Now, if you don't turn it on, you will not be able to use it until you unlock your phone. So it's your decision to make. Thank you. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out my other videos.